Welcome to Pouches and More. Today we'll prepare this double zippered pouch. It's got two zips. It's got two pockets. This is how it will be looking from inside. It's got a pull tab on both sides and a strap to hold. So I've kept pens here. You can keep whatever you want. It's got two pockets. It's simple to make. So let's try out this pouch. Let's check out the materials required to make this pouch. We'll require one piece of main fabric fused with interfacing. It measures 10 inch by 11 inch. We'll require two pieces of fabric measuring 3 inches by 5 inches. We'll also require one piece of main fabric fused with interfacing, and it measures 11 inch by 1.5 inch. Next we require one piece of fabric measuring 3 inch by 4.5 inch. We require 4 pieces of fabric measuring 11 inch by 4.5 inch. These are 4 pieces. Next we require two zippers, that is 12 inch long. I have got a long zipper. These are the things required. So first what you're going to do is, we'll take these two pieces. We'll prepare the pull tab and the strap. So we'll fold it in half and again get the raw edges to the center. We'll again fold it like this. So this is how it will be. I'm just going to clip it. So we have to make a straight stitch on both sides, and we'll do this for both the pull tabs and the strap. So next what we'll do is, we'll put the zip. So this is a fabric. This is our main fabric. This is our lining fabric. We'll take the zip. So this is the wrong side of the zip. This is the right side. The right side will face, this is the right side of the fabric facing up. The right side of the zip will face down. So we'll place it like this, and our lining fabric, the right side facing down. So the right sides will be together. Now we'll just align it from the side and we'll just clip it. So this is how we'll make a straight stitch over here. Prepare the pull tab and the strap. So we are going to stitch it. Next we'll change the zipper foot, since we are stitching the zipper. We have to make a straight stitch over here also. Just align the fabric and make a straight stitch. A simple straight stitch. So we have done that. Now it will look like this. This is how we have finished stitching. Now we're just going to turn this over, flatten it slightly and make a top stitch. These are all the basic steps that we do for stitching a pouch and putting the zipper. So finish doing the top stitch also. Now this is how it will be. Now what we're going to do is, we'll take the other zipper. The zipper pulls have to be on the same side. So I'll just turn it over. Now the zipper pull is on the right side. So we'll put the other zipper pull also on the right side. The right side of the fabric, this is the 1.5 inch, it is facing up. So we'll put the zipper, the right side will face down and the zipper pulls will be together. The right side is facing down, zipper pulls are together. Right side is facing down. This is on the other side of the 1.5 inch. We'll take the lining fabric and the right side will again be facing down. This is on the other side of the 1.5 inch. We have already finished stitching one side, so this is on the other side. So we'll just clip it now. We have to align it. So this is the right side facing up, main fabric. This is one side, we are stitching this on the other side. The right side is facing down of the zipper. The lining fabric right side is facing down. Just align all of them and put a clip. So we'll align it from the side also, and we are going to clip it neatly. So for this also what we have to do is, so we're finished clipping it now. So we have to make a straight stitch over here. This is again a simple straight stitch. We're finished doing that. Now this is how it will be. Now we'll go and make a top stitch. So on one side we have already done the top stitch. Now this is the other side that we'll be doing the top stitch. So the lining fabric will be on the respective sides while doing the top stitch. This is how it will be. This is in between. It will look like this, and from back it will look like this. The lining fabrics are on either side. Now what we have to do is, we'll take the main fabric, that is the 10 inch by 11 inch, and we'll take the 11 inch side. So we need the 11 inch side. Now we'll take this entire piece that we prepared. So now what we are going to do is, the main side, the right side is on top of the main fabric. Here the right side is over here. Now we'll just turn it over and put it down like this. So the right sides will be together. Now we'll align it from the side. We'll stitch this on one side. Now the right side of the main fabric is up, the right side is facing down. So now we'll just align it from the side and clip it. Neatly align the fabric from the sides, and then you have to clip it. We'll clip the whole thing. Again for this we need to make a straight stitch. So I finished clipping the whole thing. Now what we'll have to do is, we'll take the lining and right side facing down. So the lining fabric right sides will be together. We need to make a stitch on the top, align it from the sides. So we'll just align from the top and the sides. Just clip the entire thing and make a top stitch over here. So all this is a simple straight stitch. We'll just make a straight stitch. We're finished doing the straight stitch over here. Now I'm just going to turn it like this and flatten it. We also will have to put the lining fabric on this side. That is the lining fabric that we stitched along with this main fabric. We are going to put it together, and we need to make a top stitch. So simple top stitch. We need to make the lining fabric, we are going to get it on this side, and we need to make a top stitch. So this is done. Now what we are going to do is, the other side we have to, so one side zip we have completely finished stitching. Now the right side we are going to take it like this and put it on the, join it on the other side of this other zipper, second zipper. Align it from the sides. So the right side and the right side are together, and we'll just align it and clip it. So we have clipped it. This is how it will be from the side. So we'll make a top stitch. Now we need to turn it over like this, and we need to put the lining. This is the last fabric, lining fabric. We are just going to put it like this, align it from the sides and the top, and just clip it. We're just going to clip everything together like this. So this is done. Now we need to make a top stitch over here, a straight stitch over here, sorry. So I finished making a straight stitch over here. This is how it will be. Now we need to make a top stitch. For that, this side, the side that we just stitched, we'll open the zip. Just open the entire zipper like this, turn it over, press it, and we need to make a top stitch over here. We need to make a top stitch. So we're finished doing the top stitch over here. Now what we'll have to do is, this is the center part, 1.5 inch part. We'll just put the lining this side. So this is how we will be placing it. From behind it look like this. Linings are on either side. So this is how it will be looking. Now put the lining on this side. This is the center part, main fabric. Now we'll take this loops that we stitched, pull tabs, and the raw edges on outside and the loop inside. We're just going to put it in the center over here, center main fabric. So it look like this. The lining has to be on either side, it should not come under the pull tab. So we'll fold it like this, the raw edges outside, the loop inside. We'll put it in the middle main fabric, and we're making a straight stitch over here. So finished making a straight stitch. We have attached the pull tabs. Now we'll just close the zip like this. Now we need to make a center marking. For that we'll just join both the zips like this, and we'll get a center marking in the main fabric. So we just need a center marking. We'll just mark it. So this is our center. We'll be doing this on the wrong side and the other side as well. So by joining the zippers like this, both the zippers, we'll get the center point. So we'll do that on both the sides. Finish doing that. This is the center mark. Now what we're going to do is, we need to first stitch these pockets. So for that we'll put the pockets on either side, and from the zip we are going to make a stitch all around on both. Over here we leave around 4 inches for turning it inside out. So this is the marking. We'll have to stitch till the from the zipper. We don't have to go on the zipper. From the zipper we will be stitching all around. So this is how it will be. On one lining pocket we have to leave 4 inches for turning it inside out. So now we'll just be stitching till the zipper. So the zipper is here. Now we'll just stitch it till the zipper. We'll make a back stitch, and that is it. So we have stitched only till the zipper. Only till the zipper we have to stitch. We'll do that for the other sides also, the other remaining 3 sides. So again we'll just stitch it like this, and only till the zipper. We'll make a back stitch also. So we'll just, so it's till the zipper we have stitched. Now we finished doing that. We have left an opening over here. Now what we'll do is, we'll match the center to the middle over here. The base center in the middle, we'll just match it over here, and we'll clip it like this. We're just going to clip it. Now once you have clipped it, we need to make a straight stitch all around. For that what we'll do is, we need to make a straight stitch. So we'll just open the seams over here of the lining that we stitched. From here we need to make a straight stitch. So we'll open the seams over here, and as of now we'll just put a pin. These are the lining pockets that we just stitched. We'll just open the seams and flatten it over here like this. We'll just flatten it and put a pin. Now we need to make a straight stitch in this side. So this is how we need to make a straight stitch on the side over here. We have just done that for both the sides. Over here we need to make a straight stitch till here. So we have, from where we have stitched, we need to make a straight stitch. We need to cut off the sides, but on the pull, where the zipper pull is, we need to put it inside. So remember to put the zipper pull inside, and we'll just cut off all the extra and make a straight stitch over here. So it's a simple straight stitch. We need to stitch over here till here. It's a simple straight stitch. Now we have opened the seams of the lining, so we need to stitch from there. finished doing that for both the sides. I'll just remove all the pins. We'll open the pockets. Now we need to box the corners. For that we'll just make a base lining over here. So we're just marking it in the base, because when we do the boxing we need a base. So this is the marking. We'll do it on both the sides of the main fabric. So I finished doing that. Now we'll have to do the boxing. For that, 1 inch from the stitch mark to the base. From the stitch mark to the base we are going to take a 1 inch marking like this, and we are going to box it. So we'll do this for all the other 3 sides, and we'll cut it also. So I finished marking and cutting for all the 4 sides. This is on the main fabric. Now we'll do that for the lining also, lining pockets. For that we'll take 1 inch from the stitch mark both sides. From the stitch mark we are going to take 1 inch. Here we have got a base stitching also, so we'll take 1 inch. From the base stitch we are going to take a 1 inch, and from the side stitch also we are going to take a 1 inch. And we'll do that for all the sides and cut it. So I finished cutting it also. Now just pull it like this, match the stitch marks over here, seams, stitch seams over here. Now we'll clip it. We need to make a straight stitch on this. We'll do that for the other sides also. Just pull it out like this, flatten it, match the stitch marks, that is the seams, match them, and we need to make a straight stitch. We'll do that for the other sides also, lining other sides also. So we have finished doing that. We have finished stitching. Lining pocket is done. Now main fabric. What we are going to do is we need to put the strap. So for that, the side that the zipper pull comes when it is closed, on that side we are just going to fold it like this, and we are going to put the strap inside in the middle. Over here we are going to put it on this side, and we are going to stitch it. We have to make a straight stitch. We are going to match the base mark that we did to the stitch. This is the base mark and the seams. So we are going to match both of them, and we have put the strap in between over here. So for this also we need to make a straight stitch over here. Now we need to go on the same side boxing, and we'll just pull the strap out. See that it is perfectly straight. Now again we'll do the same thing that we did. Match the base mark to the stitch seam over here, and in between we have put the strap. And we're just going to clip it. We need to make a straight stitch. Now for the other sides also, simple, matching the base mark to the stitch seam. So this is how we box the pouches. We'll do that for all the 4 sides. It's a simple straight stitch that we need to do. So we'll do that for all the 4 sides. Carefully make a straight stitch. So finish doing that. Now we need to turn it inside out. Remember to keep the zip open. So now we have turned it inside out. Just push out the boxed corners neatly. Now all that is left is to make a stitch for this. We can either hand stitch it or machine stitch it, whatever is comfortable. It's a straight stitch. So we finished doing that. Now we just push in everything neatly. We'll push out the boxed corners. So this is how a double zippered pouch will look, and it's that simple to do. So this is the final look of a double zippered pouch. It's got 2 pockets, it's got a lining also. So please do try this, and bye. Thanks for watching.